Welcome to the exciting world of capital accumulation, where profit is our driver and innovation is our destination. Yes, you heard that right. We're not just hoarding coins like a dragon guarding its treasure, we're on a mission to accumulate capital to drive progress and sustainability. Imagine this. You're sitting on a pile of cash like Scrooge McDuck, but instead of just taking a swim in it, you're using it to fund the next big thing. Like creating a revolutionary app that makes laundry folding a breeze. Because let's face it, nobody wants to spend their weekends wrangling with fitted sheets. Profit isn't just a number, it's the fuel that powers our innovative engines. Every dollar we accumulate helps us push the boundaries of what's possible. Think of capital accumulation like a snowball rolling downhill. At first it's small and cute, but soon it's a massive snowman taking over your yard. We encourage everyone to embrace the accumulation of capital because it's not just about getting rich, it's about making a difference. Every time we invest in new ideas, we're laying the groundwork for a better tomorrow. It's like planting seeds in a garden, except these seeds grow into skyscrapers, advanced technology, and maybe even a robot that can walk your dog. But remember, it's not just about the money. It's about how we use that capital to fuel progress and innovation. So let's channel our inner entrepreneurs, accumulate that capital, and drive forward into the future. Because at the end of the day, profit is not just our driver, it's our launchpad to greatness. Join us and reach your next crypto level.